Hola amigo, Bisoto. Respected Chairman of today's inaugural program of 29th Wrestling Championship and 3rd Under 16 Meet 2024, organized by Chakhesang Wrestling Association, CWA. At the outset, on my own behalf and on behalf of our state government, brings a New Year greetings to the Chakhesang community in particular and to each and everyone present here today. Before I share my mind, I want to request our Angami Wrestler Association and our Chakhesang Wrestlers Association to please come and train us. We also want to participate like you. Not only Wokha district, but you should train the entire district, entire tribes of Nagaland. Or you don't want us to come for wrestling. If you come and train us, we want to hold this kind of wrestling competition, wrestling meet, either in Wokokchung, Znyopudo, or Wokha. But hosting wrestling meet, if we cannot participate, there is no meaning. Abnangge sabole Wokha de host kurele nohobo. Amirangibi I cannot train korebi. Third prize, fourth prize pailebi kono why? Amirangibi I cannot train korebi koi na apnangal ko de request kore ase. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at the inaugural ceremony of the prestigious 29 Wrestling Championship and 3rd Under 16 Meet organized by the Chakhesang Wrestling Association. This championship has rightfully earned its place as one of the most awaited sporting events in Nagaland's annual calendar, bringing great joy and excitement for the people of the community and the states. The wrestling sports has a rich cultural history and traditions embedded in Naga society since time immemorial. Our ancestors and forefathers engaged in wrestling competition as a way of building physical strength, honing martial skill, and inculcating virtues of bravery, resilience, and sportsmanship, also as a new of life since olden days. Though the organized form of wrestling took shape only in the later stage, Peck District, being the land of traditions, I'm happy to learn that the peoples are strong guardians of traditional life. Over the decades, Nagaland has produced many wrestlers who have made the state and nations proud with their feats in national and global competitions, and announce the arrival of Nagaland as a powerhouse in these sports. Promising young athletes are emerging from districts across the state, showcasing the talents and confirming the bright future of Naga wrestlers, in which the Pet district is second to none. Competitions such as these play a pivotal role not only in identifying and grooming fresh talent in the state, but it also fosters friendship and unity among different communities in society, as motto of the CWA clearly says, friendship through competitions. I must appreciate and acknowledge the pioneers of CWA and also congratulate the present teams of office bearers led by Mr. Vigusa Ringa, the donors and well-wishers for the effort in organizing the 29th edition of this competition to great success. I wish and hope that the passion for this organized form of wrestling sports spreads across all tribes of Naga society in the days to come. When I was asked to be the special guest for this special occasion, this special program, I told those organizing committee, even if you don't put me as a special guest, I will come and witness. Amige program में नहाले लेती wrestling को किन का से आमिगे साबुले मोना से इन्हीं एकला होले पे आहे वो होले पे अपना खान आमिगे इनवाइट करे से आमिगे खुशी पर आहे वो कोई के नाम एक्सेप्ट करे से. Thank you so much for inviting me as a special guest on this Wrestling Meet 2024. In conclusion, I once again thank the organizer for giving me the honor to share my thoughts on this auspicious occasion. My heartfelt appreciation to all the participants, coaches, referees, sponsors, media and supporters, reverend and pastors, and Chazopa Baptist Church. I wish the very best to our talented wrestlers. Shine bright and bring laurels to your family, community, and the state. It is competition like this that will nurture the next generation of wrestling champions from Nagaland. Here, you have chosen a visionary, talented, active leader, and you have sent to us. Tai Olaigina, election day, Jitegina, American Logo de Aha Tin Bra, Amido Palbra, China Jana Nai, Ahegina, American Logo, Koima de Poha Tin Bra, G. Holebi, STPO, American Ke upgrade Kuribo Lagia. We have 27 villages, 3 towns. Etobra Yade, Chagopade, it had OC here, আপনার হোম থরা টাইম দে যি হলেবি STPO আপগ্রেড কৰিব লাগে কই না হঠাই কিমান পাৰ লোক পাই হেতুৱে আমি কান্দি সোমাই দিয়ে এটো নিতিয়া তাক আমি ক্ষমাব নাপাৰিব এটো পৰা I declare today that upgradation of from OC to STPO will be done during my tenure. এটো আমি ইয়াতে ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ তাই আমি ইমান মাতিছে আৰু এটো নিতিয়া তাক আমি ক্ষমাব নাপাৰিব এটো পৰা আজি আমি কমিট কৰি আছে আমি তাই কিনা প্ৰচিডিউৰ কি আছে এটো কৰি কিনা STPO আপগ্রেড করে দিব I will come for inauguration of that STPO এটো কই কিনা আমি আজি আপনার খান লাগা রিকোয়েস্ট MLA লাগা রিকোয়েস্ট তো মানি দিয়েছে আমি I have agreed I have accepted আপনার খান যে আমি কি রিকোয়েস্ট করেছে তো আমি লা রিকোয়েস্ট তো মানিব লাগে প্লিজ কাম এন্ড ট্রেন আস wrestling আপনার আমি নিজে ট্রেন করলে who knows I may also go for competition I have completed 41 years in politics 25 years MLA hoise holibi the opposition-less government under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nipirio. Under the opposition-less government, however, I don't feel that I have completed 41 years. I'm letting Chuan who has it all. Opposition-less government. এটো পৰা আমি টাইম ইনকেন রিকোয়েস্ট করে আছে মরম পৰা আমি কান গিবি ট্রেন করিবি কোচিং লাগাতো আমি কান এটো ইলেক্টেড মেম্বার খান চান্দাকে উঠাই কিনা কন্ট্রিবিউট করে কিনা কোচিং লা কাম লো দিব এটো পৰা মরম পৰা আমি গিবি তো আই কিনা ট্রেন করিবি কই কিনা আমি এটো that is my humble request to our Chakhesang Wrestler Association. With these few words, I once again thank all the program organizers for inviting me as your special guest. Thank you so much. Hope nothing.